Yeah, what's up guys? So today we will do Winder Quest. This quest is very solid, so we'll finish this. Okay, so I will just skip the part so the video will not get too long. But I will show you all the quests. Okay, so let's get started. So I will be using my Smurf as my healing machine. So let's get right to it. So the third quiz is done. The fourth quiz is gonna take us a while because of this quest. But don't worry, I will just speed this up. Yeah, so far we finished the 8th quest, and as I learned from others, this quest is 1 quadrillion. And possible I cannot do this because I don't have Game Pass. And yeah, Game Pass is better because if I'm going faster, but this one I cannot do this. So wish luck to others to finish this quest. I might not finish this for now, but I will come back.